My friends, so before you proceed with this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment to see more of those kind of videos, alright? Also, do not skip through this video because the link to the model is hidden somewhere in this video, okay? So it is not in the description, it is hidden in this video. So make sure to watch it till the end in order to find out what the link to the model is. Alright guys, so today we have a skill shop NPC right here. So when I click on this guy right here, I'm able to buy this Gatling skill for 200 cash. Obviously, I have 0 cash at the moment, so all I gotta do is that I have to switch over to the service perspective, and I have to change this cash int value right here. Let me change it to 400, and then let me switch back all of the perspectives right, and as you can see I have 400 cash now, and when I want to buy this, my cash goes down to 200. Now when I walk off this guy, the skill shop just automatically closes. Now when I press the skill button, I'm actually performing the skill, alright? And this is how it works. So if you want a detailed explanation, then make sure to watch tomorrow's tutorial video about this, alright? With that being said, thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends, leave a comment, and we'll see each other in tomorrow's video.